In this video, I'm going to show you how to use some of the AI features in SitecoreAI Page Builder. Most people familiar with XM Cloud will be familiar with Page Builder, but recently a whole bunch of new AI-enabled features have been added that help you optimize and even generate your content, as well as fast-tracking things like A/B testing and personalization. First off, we're going to look at optimizing content. So the main thing to look out for in Page Builder is this star icon. This signifies that you can use the AI features to help you optimize that particular piece of content. So at the moment, this works with components with text. So whether that's single line text, multi-line text, or rich text, you can find it in these two places. You can find it in the hover menu of the component in the editor panel and in the right-hand panel as well when you have a component selected. When you click this icon, a pop-up box will appear that gives you a number of options. There is a text box where you can type a free text prompt, and there are a bunch of helpful pre-built prompts here as well below it. So you can improve the writing, you can fix the spelling and grammar, you can make it shorter or longer, you can summarize it, you can change the tone to formal, casual, informative, friendly, or bold, and you can translate it to any of the languages that you have set up with your website. If you have a brand kit set up for your organization, one of the options will be to kind of brandify the text, that is to make it adhere to your brand's tone of voice and style. That's why we have the Remarkable brand kit here set up. To use these prompts, you simply click them. So if we click the Remarkable one, it'll take a second to update, and you can see the update straight away in the editor panel. So you can see that this has changed it. It's made it more relevant to our brand tone. So you can toggle back and forth between the original and the optimized version just to see kind of which you prefer. If you want to cancel, you just click the X in the top left of the right-hand panel. But if you like it, you can click Keep Optimized and it will replace the original. To use the free text prompt box, you simply type in a prompt. So for this one, let's click the Optimize Content option again. And for this one, we will say something like Update Remarkable to Remarkable Group. And then you click the Generate button, and it will update. It should update in the editor panel. Yeah, so you can see this is updated. So you can kind of say anything in this prompt, and it will update. You can also use this feature to recommend tags and list items. For example, we can go into the page content section for this particular page, and we can scroll down to tagging. So this has recommended a couple of tags, but if you delete them, you can click the Optimize button and click Start Optimizing, and it will suggest page tags that are relevant to the content on the page. So in this case, yeah, it's recommended these two. So for case study and events, because we talk about case study and events in the content of the page. So this is incredibly helpful, especially if you have a complex page tagging structure. And if you want to keep these, you just simply click Apply, and it will add them to the page tagging section. So that's just a few examples of how to use the AI features in SitecoreAI Page Builder.